We will solve CSS 2017 General Ability portion. Today we're analyzing a dataset about how many hours teachers spend marking assignments daily. We are given raw data, and we need to construct a frequency table. So we count how many times each number appears, which will be the frequency. 1 appears 5 times. 2 appears 8 times. 3 appears 6 times. 4 appears 4 times. 5 appears 2 times. 6 appears 1 time. Then draw a histogram using the above table created for frequencies. On the x-axis, we place hours. On the y-axis, we place frequency. To find the total number of teachers, we need to add all frequencies. That will be 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 26. So there are 26 teachers. The highest value in data is 6. So longest time is 6 hours. The most frequent value is 2. So most common time is 2 hours. This is a percentage cost collection question. A man buys 5 kilograms of meat at 500 rupees per kilogram. First find the basic cost of 5 kilogram meat. 5 multiplied by 500 equals 2,500 rupees. Now calculate tax. Tax is 6% of 500. 6% of 500 equals 30 rupees per kilogram. Add tax to price. 500 plus 30 equals 530 per kilogram. Now total cost of 5 kilogram meat with tax will be 5 multiplied by 530 equals 2,650 rupees. The man pays 2,650 rupees for 5 kilos of meat. Ali takes 30 minutes per paper. Aslam takes 25 minutes per paper. We need to find when both finish at the same time. To find the common time, we use LCM of 30 and 25. 30 is equal to 2 times 3 by 5. 25 is equal to 5 times 5. LCM, that is least common multiple, comes out as 150 minutes. Convert to hours. 150 minutes equals 2 hours 30 minutes. Start time is 10 a.m. Add 2 hours 30 minutes 12:30 p.m. Ali and Aslam finish together at 12:30 p.m. Two bus tickets from Rawalpindi to Islamabad and 3 tickets from Rawalpindi to Murree cost 770 rupees, but 3 tickets from Rawalpindi to Islamabad and 2 tickets from Rawalpindi to Murree cost 730 rupees. What are the fares for cities Islamabad and Murree from Rawalpindi? Let Islamabad fare be X. Let Murree fare be Y. Form simultaneous equations. 2x plus 3y equals 770. 3x plus 2y equals 730. Multiply first equation by 3, 6x plus 9y equals 2310. Multiply second by 2, 6x plus 4y equals 1460. Now subtract equation 2 by 1. Value of x cancels out, the remaining is 5y equals 850, so y equals 170. Substitute back to find the value of x. 2x plus 3, 170 equals 770. X equals 130. From Rawalpindi bus station. Islamabad fare is 130. Murree fare is 170. This is a common family relation reasoning question. C is A's father's nephew. That means C is A's cousin. D is also A's cousin, but not the brother of C. So D is not a male sibling of C. Since no direct sibling relation is confirmed, the safest conclusion is D and C are cousins. We are asked to divide 500 rupees among Arham, Mariam, and Sarim. Arham gets 2/3 of what Mariam gets and Mariam gets 1/4 of what Sarim gets. Let's divide the money. Arham plus Mariam plus Sarim equals 500. Now replace Arham in terms of Mariam. Arham is 2/3 of Mariam, so we write 2/3 Mariam plus Sarim equals 500. Now replace Mariam in terms of Sarim. Mariam is 1/4 of Sarim, so substitute 2/3 of 1/4 Sarim plus 1/4 Sarim plus Sarim equals 500. Now take Sarim common. Sarim multiplied by bracket 2/3 times 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1 equals 500. Now simplify inside the bracket. 2/3 times 1/4 equals 1/6. So expression becomes 1/6 plus 1/4 plus 1. Take LCM of 12. Add them, 2 plus 3 plus 12 equals 17 over 12. Now solve. Sarim equals 500 multiplied by 12 divided by 17. Sarim equals 6,000 divided by 17, which is approximately 352.94. Now find Mariam. Mariam is 1/4 of Sarim, so about 88.24. Now find Arham. Arham is 2/3 of Mariam, so about 58.82. The school has enough provision of food for 52 days. After 20 days a group of 400 students arrives, and the food would have last for 24 days only. How many students are there in the school actually? If the school has enough food for 52 days, let the number of students be A. Total food equals 52A. Food is used for 20 days, so consumption is 20A. Remaining food is 52A minus 20A, that is 32A. Then 400 more students arrive, so total becomes a plus 400. The remaining food lasts 24 days, so consumption becomes 24 times, a plus 400. Form the equation 32A equals 24 times, a plus 400. Solving gives 32A equals 24A plus 9,600. So 8A equals 9,600 and A equals 1,200. There are 1,200 students in the school. The man walks 2 kilometers towards north. Then he turns to east and walks 10 kilometers. After this he turns to north and walks 3 kilometers. Again he turns towards east and walks 2 kilometers. How far is he from the starting point? Now instead of tracking every turn separately, we combine movements in the same direction. Total movement towards the north is 2 plus 3, which equals 5 kilometers. Total movement towards the east is 10 plus 2, which equals 12 kilometers. So from the starting point, his final position is 5 kilometers north and 12 kilometers east. This forms a right-angled triangle, where one side is 5 kilometers and the other side is 12 kilometers. The shortest distance from the starting point to the final position is the straight line distance, which is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Using Pythagoras' theorem, distance equals square root of 12 squared plus 5 squared. 12 squared is 144 and 5 squared is 25. Adding them gives 169. Square root of 169 is 13. The man is 13 kilometers away from the starting point.